Ahoy there, I'm up. Well, hi everybody, it's Debbie, and I'm just going to say I got this from Vantrue, and it is a multi-function jump starter, and it's 3-in-1. But at the moment I'm going to just open this box and then I'll tell you all about it as I go along. So I shall see you in a minute.
What struck me first is that this battery booster is actually quite small, smaller than expected anyway. This is no bad thing as it moves from a garage-based tool to a in case of emergency in the boot tool. To further underline this point, it also has emergency lighting with 3 levels of intensity, flashing and red light modes. In addition, there are USB port under a flap on the base for charging your devices on the go should it be required. A very sleek unit and comes in a rather nice carry case with compartments for the crack clip jump leads and the charge cabling for the booster. It is small, so one drawback is the jump leads are quite short, so the device will need to be right next to the battery. However, the size of it makes that fairly simple. The crack clips are fully insulated and of good quality. The whole unit speaks of quality, and as a booster for older vehicles or simply one to keep in case of emergency. The other use for this device is it is a very powerful power bank. It can charge your mobile, laptop, camera and most electrical devices very quickly. Being made by the award-winning Vantrue, you know this is a quality product. Such is the power of this power bank. Imagine going camping with no electricity. Wild camping with this amazing power bank is a breeze. Also using your motorhome, it has so many uses.
Oh my god, I forgot to say about that. Did you leave the light on again? Oh no. Oh, hello Mum. Broken down. Just wondering if you got any jump leads you can bring to start the car.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello, Luke. What do you want? Jump leads? Why? What, for the car? Oh, God, jump leads? You're having a laugh, aren't you? I don't do jump leads. Yeah, I'm going to start the car, but I've got something. I've got something really good. Got it from Vantrue. You'll have to wait until I get there. They're a lot better than jump leads. You're old school, Luke. Right, I'll see you later. I'll just be round. I'm just doing the dog at the moment. Bye.
Yeah, thanks Mum for getting those jump leads. How long are you going to be? There's reports of a dodgy geezer, and I'm really, oh god, I don't know why, but I think I'm being watched somehow. I mean, please hurry up, Mum, please.
There we are. Thank you. You're very welcome.
Oh, thanks, Mum. Christ, it's cold, isn't it?
Ah, look, I've got blankets.
Oh, that'll jump leads.
Yeah. Well, not better. But,
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's better. It's so much better than jump leads. I need to get myself one of these. It's even got a light. And it's all digital. Absolutely incredible. Right, let's see if this does the trick. Come on, let's do this. Oh wow, started first time. Wicked. Thanks Mum for the jump lead and everything. Well, the new, should I say, jump lead. And I'm going to get back now because I've got to work tomorrow, so thank you so much.
There are lots of cheap jump chargers on the market, but Vantrue, with all their awards, you know you're getting pure quality and a very good build.
Thank you for watching of my review of Vantrue, and if you like what you see, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe because it's free, so it helps me out as well. Thank you. Bye.